Hey everyone, today I am going to walk you through how to apply for the Daraz affiliate program and start earning by promoting products from Daraz on your social media or website. This is a straightforward process, so let's dive in. First of all, open your web browser and search for Daraz affiliate program. The official link to the Daraz affiliate page should be one of the top results. Click on it and it will bring you to the program overview page. On this page, you will find information about the program, including the benefits of joining, commission rates, and types of marketing you can use. Take a moment to read through this so you understand what to expect. This program allows you to earn a commission on every sale made through your referral links, which means there's plenty of potential to earn. Once you are ready, click on the Apply Now button or Sign Up button. This will take you to the registration page where you will set up your affiliate account. Now fill in the required field, including your name, email address, phone number, and other contact information. Make sure the details are accurate as Daraz will use this information for account verification and payments. After that, you will need to provide details about your website, blog, or social media platforms where you plan to share affiliate links. This steps is essential because it shows Daras how you plan to market their product. If you have a website, you will enter the URL here. Otherwise, you can provide information about your social media accounts. And finally, read through the terms and condition of the affiliate program. When you are done, check the box to agree and then hit the submit button. After submitting, Daras will review your application. This can take a few days. Once your application is approved, you will receive an email with your login information for your affiliate dashboard. From there, you can generate affiliate links, monitor your earnings, and see analytics on your clicks and conversations. And that's it. You are now on your way to earning through the Daras affiliate program. Thanks for watching.